Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you how to remove your unwanted hair in your skin. So let's start how to make this face mask. At first I take honey, oats, almond oil, banana, milk. So this is my ingredients to use my face mask. Friends, I take a small little bowl and at first I take oats 2 tablespoons, now I take milk, take honey 1 tablespoon, friends, I take banana, but I'm already blended some pieces of banana, so I take this portion, take 1 tablespoon of banana paste, now at last I add 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Now mix it and leave it 5 to 10 minutes to soak your oats. After 10 minutes later, you can use this face mask your body where your unwanted hair is available. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.